Everybody, we are super excited for our new listing here in Ames, but before we go check out the listing, I wanted to showcase the location of this property. It's located just walking distance from Jack Trice Stadium, from all the tailgating, all the atmosphere. So if you love the energy that you get here at Jack Trice on Saturdays, you get the tailgating, you get the band, you get the excitement. Even if you're not a football fan, you can't deny the atmosphere here is fantastic on Saturdays. And so now we're gonna head over to Josh. He's downtown. He's gonna show us some more about this great home.
Hey everyone, not only is this home close to campus, but it's also located in a well sought out neighborhood that's centrally located, offering you all the best Ames has to offer. This includes places like downtown restaurants such as Cornbread, as well as close proximity to Reman Gardens and Coldwater Golf Course. The bottom line is, if you're looking for a beautiful home in a great location, we've got just the spot for you.